So let's talk about do while loop. So a do while loop is a slightly different loop, and although you can do the same thing using a while loop as well, but it's a different way of writing the code, and the execution order is also slightly different, right? So do while loop is a exit control loop, which means the condition that we generally put inside a while loop is conditioned after the loop is executed, right? So what we are going to do, let's see. Okay, so a do while loop goes like this. You have a do statement followed by the task that you want to repeat, and finally you will have a while condition which basically tells when to stop, right? So everything is same except that the condition to execute the loop is checked at the exit of the do block, right? So here you put the condition, right? So if we want to write the same program using a do while loop, so let's see how we can write the same code, right? So okay, let's go to the do while block. We can say okay, int cliff end equals to 10, or let me just copy the same code and we will convert the while loop into a do while loop. Okay, so you have a cliff end at 10 while int x equals to 0. This is your starting point, and instead of saying this thing, so this condition, we will move to the end of the loop, and here we will have a do instruction, right? So do says do this task until this condition is not until this condition is true, right? So what we are going to say, okay, you're at x equals to 0, make it x equals to 1, and you say take one step and you reach this particular one, then you reach 2, do you reach 3, you reach 4, and when you reach 9, which is still less than 10, you update x to make it 10, and you will stop at x equals to 10, right? So the final value of x will be 10, and you will still stand at cliff. So let's build this program and run it, right? So the output is going to remain same, but there will be one change in some cases, right? So I'm going to run the do while code. Okay, so now you can see the output is exactly same as the while loop. You go to 1 2 3 up to 10, the final value of x is 10, and you're still standing at the cliff edge, right? But there is a catch, right? So suppose the initial value of x is 10, right? In that case, okay, okay, suppose the initial value of x is 10. In that case, you will see this statement will still work, because to execute the do while loop, you do not need to check the initial condition, right? So do while loop is executed at least once irrespective of the condition, because you first execute these two instructions, then you check for the condition, right? So irrespective of the condition is false or not, do while loop is executed at least once, right? So let me say, so you have x equals to 10, and you, without checking that you have reached the end of the hill or not, you will update to make it 11, and you will take one step to reach 11, and then this condition is false, you will come out here and final value of x will be 11 in this case. So let me execute this again. Okay, build it and execute it. Okay, so you're saying taking one step to reach 11 and you're going to fall from the cliff, right? So this is the drawback of a exit controlled loop, right? So exit controlled loop, which is like do while, does not check for the initial condition is true or false, right? So irrespective your initial condition is true or false, you are going to execute these two lines. So this is how you write a do while loop, and the main difference between while loop and a do while loop is while is a entry control loop, which means before executing any instruction of the loop, you will check for the initial condition, right? So if I do the same thing with while, you will see it will remain at 10 and it will not fall from the cliff, right? So let me execute the while loop. Okay, so it is still at 10 and we are standing on the cliff edge, whereas do while says fall from the cliff, right? So this is the main difference between a while loop and a do while loop. So hope you understand the difference, and in the next part we will talk about for loop.